We've all been there. It's 2 a.m., you're tossing and turning, every time you look at the clock another 30 minutes have gone by and still not a wink of shut-eye. Sleeping is one of the greatest joys in life. A good night's sleep can make the difference between a great day and a horrible day. And what I'm about to share with you is the US Navy's foolproof way of getting to sleep in 2 minutes or less. Welcome back to IO, I'm Charlotte Dobre. Before I get into this video, tell me in the comments below, how many hours of sleep do you get a night? There are quite a few professions where getting a good night's sleep is an absolute necessity. A doctor who hasn't had enough sleep could cost someone their life. And most notably, members of the US military have to be able to sleep in extremely uncomfortable situations. Situations that you or I definitely wouldn't be able to sleep under. And they have to, at all costs, stay awake while on duty. According to an article by Sharon Ackman, the following method allowed 96% of US Navy SEALs to drift off into slumber in 2 minutes or less. It took about 6 weeks of practice, but it's a pretty much foolproof method. The method is from the book Relax and Win, Championship and Performance by Lloyd Budd Winter. There are 4 steps, which I will explain for you right now. Step 1. When you're lying in bed, relax your facial muscles completely, including your tongue, jaw, and eye sockets. Step 2. Draw your attention to your shoulders. Drop them down as far as you can. Then relax your upper and lower arms, one side at a time. Step 3. Exhale and relax your chest. Then relax your legs. Start with your thighs and move down to the lower legs and then your feet. And step 4. Declutter your mind. Spend at least 10 seconds thinking about 3 mental images. Here's a couple of suggestions. Picture a canoe on a serene lake with a bright blue sky above you. The second image involves you cuddled up in a black velvet hammock in a pitch black room. And the third mental image involves you saying out loud, "Don't think, don't think, don't think," over and over for at least 10 seconds. If you're sleeping next to somebody, maybe don't say it like out loud, just maybe mouth the words or say it very quietly. I'm not gonna lie, I've been having a lot of trouble getting to sleep lately, and I'm definitely gonna try this tonight. I hope you do too. Let me know in those comments if it helps you. That is all I have for you on that. Hope it works for you, but for now it's time to do some comment replies. Goat Lord Vaney said, watching an exciting show about boiling potatoes. Woo, very exciting. Send link. Ryan Conlon said, is it scripted or is it not? I don't know, but love it either way. Our videos are scripted. I'm reading a teleprompter right now. I'm not that amazing. I don't memorize every single word, sorry. Big Dog Taylor said, Charlotte will never feature me. I comment almost daily. Never say never. Hazy Rain's mama said, happy birthday Potato Queen Charlotte. Your spudlings love you. I know, too cheesy. Honestly, not too cheesy at all. You are now my spudlings. Take it or leave it. Welcome to the end screen. This means the video is over. If you want to keep watching IO, there's another link right here. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to IO, and turn on those notifications, and I'll see you in a future IO video.